what are my good body mechanics when I'm doing acupressure work? And it's very easy, if we're not careful, to push down and try and lean. So I lighten my feet or I lock this shoulder. Now, the more locked I am, the less chi and blood can flow. So it just doesn't look good, does it? Huh? You know. So I want to make sure that this is not what I look like. So the first thing is, what we want to pay attention to is that I want to lengthen, not shorten. Now, when I push, instinctively, all of my bones are going to shorten up into my shoulder. I want to avoid instinct and learn proper Dao Yin or guiding and leading. So when I push, I'm actually lengthening my body away from my pusher down. So my thumb pushes, but I'm actually getting longer or further away. All right. So I'm doing, it lengthens. So I have a good lengthening. So the weight goes down into the finger, but it's not me doing the weight this way. And that's very important. The second thing is I want to stay relaxed. And if I'm tight, at a certain point, their chi is tight, and they will mimic me, right? I call it reciprocal, reverse reciprocal in the courses that I teach. So what's important is I get on and it's strong, and I say, okay, Andrew, whoa, relax. All right, I relaxed, I have better touch, and then I wait. And frequently, if I relax, they'll suddenly go, oh, strong, but now acceptable for moving the chi. So remember, even though I'm pushing, I don't shorten the bones. I want to lengthen my space. And I want to relax. And then I'm doing it no matter what. I will have tensed up again somewhere. So I relax. Is it my feet? Is it my shoulder? Is it my head? Am I doing... And now this is all kind of, what is this doing? Right? No, here. No, where's this thing? That's not good here. Right? Where is my harmony? Where is the sweet spot of me the best I can? So that's the first thing, is to pay attention to my good body mechanics means more success, less damage, right?